All right, so big box of goodies. AC stuff for Bill's Cougar. Look, the OG factory original condenser. Awesome. I'm going to leave it obviously wrapped up till we go to install when the car comes back from paint, because I'm trying to prevent that from being damaged. OE style expansion valve, put that in his tote. Our trinary switch. Look, we got hose. So we'll put those in the bin. Compressors right there, which I'm going to need. And this is the bracketry, which I'm going to need inside, because I'm going to finish off the motor. Well, the engine, I'm sorry. Because people get offended when I say motor. Motor, engine, whatever. Dang on, motor blew up. Right, like I was saying a minute ago, here's our compressor bracket. There's our compressor. Things are coming together, and then I can put belts on. Yay! So we can have things sort of kind of where we want them.
Sort of kind of?
Sort of kind of.
Why can't we just have them the way we want them? Oh, yeah, this is true. This isn't McDonald's.
That's, I'm loving it. It's Burger King. Let's have it your way.
Oh,
I'm fat. I know these things.
I'm not. I don't know those things. I haven't eaten at a Burger King, and I couldn't tell you in years. Hey, I was. Stop that.
You were what? Working at Burger King? Or the corner in front of Burger King?
Almost 40 years ago, I was. On Delaware and Hurdle.
The who?
Delaware Avenue and Hurdle Avenue in Buffalo.
Oh. I wonder if it's still there.
I don't know. I haven't been back in that area.
A while. Anyway.
Yeah, to say the least.
Anywho, so bracket, I'm going to do the compressor.
Remember,
Handle with care. Don't handle with care.
Well, you know, just kind of.
He likes it that way, though. It's weird. Anyway, all right, so I'm getting this situated. All right, we have our compressor mocked up. Looking really, really good, actually. And all the bracketry. I'm going to take this out and paint it satin black like the rest so it matches, but that will help support the compressor up here at the top. That way our tensioner isn't weebles wobble and everything's going to be alrighty. So that'll be done. Have that to look forward to. Take a gander at. Be ready to go. Go paint that. All right, boys and girls. Our belts are in. I do have the AC belt as well. I'm going to just finishing up the bracketry here. Painted all that up yesterday. It looks really good. Alternator belt's on. Power steering belt is on. And then we're just going to do that and take care of it. But it'll look really good.